Great achievements are earned from patience, persistence, and the relentless effort. Every sacrifices you make today is an investment, so don't consider your every sacrifices are going to be vain. So it's a bad approach and focus towards your ambition. So welcome back my old ladies and gentlemen in a small talk English conversation where I can learn, where I can think so many things also in English. So if you think only in English, so that's why you can able to speak like a pro. Now here I have some vocabularies which is the normal version and the advanced version. So if you can learn, then you can also just trying to implement all these what vocabularies in your conversation and just trying to talk in an advanced way. So that's why your English level might be reflect in a different way. So first one is happy. Happy is a everyone know about it, happy, but this advanced version is delighted. Happy and delighted. I got opportunity, so that's why I am delighted. I am happy, but you can also say that I am delighted. I got opportunity, so that's why I am delighted. And the second one is sad. Sad, everyone know about it. And the devastated. Devastated. See hurted. Devastatedly. She hurted devastedly. Anyone can hurt her, so that's why she is very devastated. Got it? Two vocabularies means happy. Happy means delighted, and the sad. Sad, the other version is devastated. Big. Big, everyone know about it. Big, and it's a small. So big version is a enormous. I have a enormous pen. I have a enormous building. I have a enormous tower where I am living. He has a enormous building because he is very rich, he is billionaire, so that's why he can able to buy a enormous building. Burj Khalifa is very enormous. No one can no one can go top of the Burj Khalifa. And the small is small, and the advanced version is tiny. I have a tiny pen. I have a small pen, but I can also say that I have a tiny pen. And the good. Good, the advanced version is exceptional. Her approach was exceptional. Her approach was very good. You can say that her approach was very exceptional. You can't be able to use very, only you can say exceptional means very good. I hope you all got my point. Now let's move our conversation. And you can also consider pen is your companion and just trying to talk it. Hey buddy, how are you? Now here I am just trying to talk everything in English. So could you help me to find the things in a better way? So let's talk it. I am very small. Pen is saying that I am very tiny. Yes, you are tiny, but don't consider your mindset is very tiny. Your mindset is a versatile in nature. You can think in a different way. So everyone can delight it to your work. So don't think in a badly. Always be optimistic towards your goal. Always be optimistic towards your thinking and do exceptional things in your daily routine and make a exceptional paragraph. Write something in a differently because I'm pen and I write in an enormous way. I can able to think and just write down on the piece of paper in a versatile nature, so everyone can understand easily. So without pen, I can't be able to express the things in a very good approach. So you have to make it in a very simple and concise way, so everyone can understand what you try to exactly make them understand. Because pen is the one thing which is just trying to express on the piece of paper. Don't I know very well. You know also, because only thinking without writing on the piece of paper, we can't be able to cross the what circumstances. Always we have to just express on the piece of paper and just trying to speak, because those person who can't be able to hear, so they can read, they can just trying to see what exactly trying to make me understand, they can understand. So that's why the exam is conducted by the and agencies which you are exactly know about it, what the quality you have and where you are staying. Why exam is happening? Because exam's purpose is know about it, what you are and where you are and what your destination. Could you able to express, could you able to talk, could you able to just trying to make them understand. So this is the way. If you really want to speak, then only think and just trying to write out on the piece of paper, and after writing, then you just trying to talk in front of camera or the mirror, which can also level up your knowledge to speak more fluently, more enhanceable way. So escalate yourself to the next level and always be fruitful, be optimistic. Because why I'm able to speak? Because no one can guide me. Only the person, my cell phone and the pen and the notebook, which I am practice in a daily routine. Yes, because usually I can't be able to speak, but nowadays I can. I can able to make you understand, and you became my companion. So every day you can come on this channel and just trying to talk. Everything you can make it as a companion and just trying to talk. Just today I have make this what my companion and just trying to talk with pain. And pen also try to make me, hey buddy, what you exactly write on the piece of paper and where you are doing mistake and where you don't have to. Because if I write, then I can also find the mistake where I am doing, and I can also mark where I am doing mistake and just trying to rectify in my next conversation in a small talk. So that's why you are here. And always keep it simple and concise and be tenacious. Tenacious means be hard work, be curious, be dedicated. So it's your approach and don't give up every single moment, because success won't reflect in a single day, in a 2 day or a month or a week. It takes time, but after your great progress, you can see the result will comes automatically and your output is greatly. So you have to focus on it. I hope this conversation is helpful for you. So if it is helpful, so don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also make sure do practice every day. If you escape a single day, then you can start it where you are from the same bottom. So goodbye, take care. I'll meet you in my next video. Goodbye. Bye for now.